Hi, my name is Mohammed. This is the second campus project. We will use 3 nodes in this project. We need PEC 18F 258 transceivers, 8 MHz crystals, power indicators, reset push buttons. Okay, this LED indicates the campus now empty. Because it is on, the campus now is empty. Okay, in this project, simply if we press this push button, this LED flash for a small period of time, and as a result an echo pack will be sent in the campus, and this LED will flash 10 times, and the same for this node. Okay, note that when we press that push button, this LED will off and on again. Off meaning the campus is now sending the data. On meaning that the campus already sends the data and the campus now is empty. Let's test. Concentrate in this LED. Off and on again. This is the echo pack. Okay, 10 time flashing. Time flashing again. On, off, flashing, concentrate, off, then that will be on, meaning this node is received the data, so that the LED is on and this became on again. Thank you.